This is the application for the Tapo Smart Button. Here we can see I have it in place. Right up top, we have our event log letting you see single tap triggered something, rotated, triggered something. I can come in here, I could view the entirety of the log. I can go back to days, see what's been happening. We've got our smart actions area right here. So right now I have the button set up that if I click it on or off, it's going to turn on and off a single Tapo LED light bulb. But if I come into smart actions and I wanted to turn one of these off, so hypothetically, if I turn it on, I can rotate it to adjust the brightness. But if I wanted to turn that off, here you can see I rotate it, it'll rotate down, but not rotate up because I've turned off that action. Once I come in here, I can turn that back on just like that. We can also create a new action. So we could create a shortcut or an automation. If I select an automation, you can select the effective time of it. And then when, add a trigger, specific device time or arrive and or leave. Then you can add a condition, device status or automation status. Then a specific thing happens. So in my case, I created a, if this is pressed, then the light is turned on. But it also has, if this is pressed, then the light turns off. So here you can see it's effective always. If my smart button is pressed, then, and because I don't have a condition, turn on or off. And then I could come in here and see a history of on or off. Here are all the successful triggers that have happened. That's all under your smart actions. You can see you could have several different smart actions for the button. You have the ability to share this device, access the support center, and then keep it on favorites. And that's the controls. If we come up to the sprocket in the upper right-hand corner, this is our settings. This will allow us to change the device icon, change the device name, change the device's location, and then double tap, which will now allow me to set up a tap tap command if I wanted to trigger a smart action. We have our placement guide, smart actions, which I showed you before, device info, and then firmware. And then we could remove. And really, that's everything you could do for the smart button in the Tapo application.